Citrus carpet cleaning here today to explain the difference between carpet cleaning and carpet clean up. Cleaning up is this situation or any type of situation where you have a dog or a cat, a child, maybe even a husband has had some kind of accident on the carpet, and you have what appears to be ruined carpet. If you look at your carpet or you see the spot or see the area and you have a panicked look on your face, that is probably what we call a clean up situation. So that's not normally like we said, that would be covered under carpet cleaning. It's a clean up situation. Minimum charge for a clean up situation is $200. Again, it's important to understand the difference between carpet cleaning and clean up. Typically, clean up is kind of an emergency situation, a situation where your carpet you think is ruined, and we come in to the rescue. So this is JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta.com, 770-652-0630. Typically, we say no per spot fees, no upsells, things of that nature, which is applicable. And the exception, obviously, is when you have a clean up situation. 770-652-0630. We look forward to helping you out with your carpet cleaning and your carpet clean up situations.